Welcome everyone and welcome to the Jaden and Jordan show. Today we're gonna be making a ham and cheese sandwich, and Jaden is gonna help me show you how to make ham and cheese and mayo sandwich. Hello. So, first step in making a ham and cheese sandwich is, of course, you gotta get yourself some bread and you gotta get yourself some nice white mayonnaise, some fresh and cool ones that came from the refrigerator. Alright, Jaden, can you please help me get the mayonnaise and spread it all over the sandwich? Go! He's gonna be using the spoon instead. Alright. Wow, that's a lot of mayonnaise! Oh my gosh, you're gonna be eating that? You gotta spread it like this here. Spread it and spread it and spread it round and round until every corner is all filled up with the white mayonnaise that came from the ref, which is cold, very, very cold.
Ow.
And Jordan is gonna taste some of the mayonnaise. Joke. We're gonna put this, and then we're gonna be getting our cheese. Jaden, please get our cheese. Come on, hurry up, hurry up. I'm having a ham of odd trouble opening this packet of cheese. Jaden is playing around with the mayonnaise. Alright, so we're going to be putting one slice of square cheese. Jaden, G.I. Joe. Go G.I. Joe on the sandwich, man. Put the cheese on the sandwich. Go, hurry up. Look at the camera and say, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna be putting cheese on the sandwich because we're gonna be making a ham and cheese sandwich. Duh. So, Jaden is helping me out, but he's not helping at all. So there you go. That's how you put cheese on a sandwich, Jaden. Ooh, wow, look at that. Yummy, yummy cheese, yummy, yummy cheese. Right. What's next? Of course, our main thing, the ham. That's why it's called.
What's that, Jaden?
What's this, Jaden?
Ham.
What are you gonna do with it? Put it here. Put the ham here. Hurry up. Get it and put it here. What do you call that, Jaden? That's what you call ham and cheese sandwich. Can you say it? Ham and cheese sandwich. Go, Jaden, say it.
Ham and cheese sandwich.
Say, everyone, please like and subscribe if you want us to do another ham and cheese sandwich tutorial. Okay? So please put it here, the bread on top of the ham. Go. Put it. Whoa! And there you go. The ham and cheese sandwich by yours truly and Mr. Jaden Christoph Delia. And now for the final moment and what we've all been waiting for. It's time to shine. We're gonna be putting the ham and cheese sandwich in the sandwich maker, which toasts them and makes a melted cheese. Yeah, makes a melted cheese. Oh yeah. Okay, we're gonna be waiting for a couple of minutes, and then after that, we're gonna be showing you what it looks like when it's done. All right.
Hi guys. Who's this? Cheese breads. Bye-bye.
What? And now we're done. It's gonna open. It's gonna open.
Wow.
Whoa, look at the cheese melting. Cheese. The cheese, dude. Look at the cheese on the ham sandwich. It's very lovely and smells so good. You're gonna eat the ham sandwich, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so let us know what you guys think. write something on the comments. Bye. So I hope you guys enjoyed our tutorial, our very sophisticated tutorial on how to make a ham and cheese sandwich. いただきます。これはすごい美味しいです。はい、いただきます。うわ、すごい美味しいね。熱いです。
Like it, Jaden? Like it?
You like it?
Good?
Love it? Is it good? Say, thank you for watching Dada and
Jaden Show.
peace.